What is the purpose of critical theory? What is the purpose of critical theory? This question takes us into a fascinating realm of thought that has shaped many social movements. Critical theory aims to analyze and challenge the social structures and power relations that lead to domination and oppression. Its ultimate goal is human emancipation and social transformation. It does not stop at understanding society. Instead, it critiques it to reveal hidden assumptions, inequalities, and injustices. By doing this, critical theory promotes change toward a more just and free society. This approach originated within the Marxist tradition, especially through the Frankfurt School. They argued that traditional theory merely describes social phenomena, while critical theory is both normative and practical. One of the key aspects of critical theory is emancipation. It strives to free people from social, economic, and ideological forces that enslave them, such as class exploitation and inequality. It evaluates society against ideals of justice and human dignity, identifying areas where society fails to meet these standards. Critical theory also considers the historical and social context. It analyzes society as a whole, showing how current conditions are shaped by past and ongoing social relations. This perspective is essential for understanding how systems of power operate and persist over time. Another important feature is its interdisciplinary approach. Critical theory integrates knowledge from various fields, including economics, sociology, history, and psychology. This broad perspective allows for a more thorough critique of society. Moreover, critical theory encourages activism and transformation. It goes beyond mere understanding and pushes for practical efforts to change social structures. This is particularly relevant from a socialist viewpoint, as critical theory builds on Marxist analysis of capitalism's contradictions and exploitation. It highlights how capitalist systems maintain power imbalances not just through economic means, but also through ideology, culture, and institutions. Critical theory supports socialist goals by identifying the roots of oppression and guiding efforts to create a society based on equality and democratic control of resources. In practical terms, critical theory informs movements and policies aimed at reducing class inequality and challenging capitalist domination. It encourages questioning dominant narratives and power structures, aiming to empower marginalized groups. The goal is to create a society where human freedom and cooperation replace exploitation and alienation. So, the purpose of critical theory is not just to understand the world but to change it for the better. It seeks to create a society that meets the needs and potentials of all people, promoting justice and equality for everyone.